In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your signature on Microsoft Outlook quickly and easily. This guide is designed to provide a straightforward approach whether you're updating your professional details or adding a personal touch to your emails. Let's get started by navigating to your Outlook account. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to do so with your credentials first. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see the settings icon. It looks like a little gear. Go ahead and click on that to reveal the drop-down menu. Now from the list of options, you're going to want to select View All Outlook Settings, typically located at the bottom. After accessing the settings, you'll see a menu on the side. Here, click on Mail to expand those options. This will open a new set of categories to choose from, where you'll find Compose and Reply. Tap on that, and it will bring you to the section where you can create and manage your email signatures. If you've previously created an email signature, you'll see it here. You have the option to rename this signature if needed. Alternatively, if you're starting from scratch or wish to add a new one, click on New Signature. A prompt will appear asking you to name your signature. Think of this like a file name, something simple that you can easily identify. Next, you'll find a blank box where you'll type in your new signature. Take a moment to think about what you'd like to include. Common elements might be your full name, job title, company name, phone number, and even your website. For those who want a bit more flair, consider adding social media icons or logos, particularly if you're customizing on the desktop or web version. Additionally, you could add a legal disclaimer or a thoughtful closing line to end your emails professionally. Once you're satisfied with the content of your signature, you'll want to decide where it should appear. Scroll down a little further, and you'll notice options to automatically add your signature to new messages, replies, or forwards. Select your preferences accordingly, and there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully updated your signature in Microsoft Outlook. Remember, this not only enhances your email's visual appeal, but also ensures that your details are always at your recipient's fingertips. If you ever need to make changes in the future, simply follow these steps again. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide simplifies the process for you. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other tutorials for more useful tips and tricks. See you next time.